Good morning, boys and girls. We're on Unit 2 of Spelling. In Unit 2, we're adding ing to words. So we're going to go over some patterns and when you double the consonant and when you don't. Okay? Words that end with a vowel and a consonant. So when we talk about vowels, that's A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. Consonants are the other letters. So let's look at skipping, okay? The root word in skipping is skip. You will notice that skip ends in I and P. I is the vowel, P is the consonant. When the root word ends in one vowel, one consonant, you have to double, which make two of that consonant, which is P in this word, and then I add ing. That's why in skipping, you have that extra P because you've doubled that final consonant. We have some exceptions to the rule. Words that end with X, so this does, fix is the root word in fixing, and it ends in a vowel and a consonant. But if the final consonant is X, you do not double the consonant. So with fixing, you do not double X because the final consonant is X. Let's look at words that we don't even have to change, that we just add ing to. Let's look at working. The root word in working is work. The last two letters in work are R and K. They are consonants. So you do not have to double that consonant. You only double the consonant when it ends in one vowel, one consonant. So for working, I just have to add ing and make working. Let's look at our spelling words for today. Your first spelling word is stopping. The root word in stopping ends at stop, okay? Stop ends in one vowel, one consonant. So what have we done to that final consonant? We've doubled the P to add ing. So one of your spelling words is stopping. Your next spelling word is working, which we just looked at on the other page. The root word in working is work. And since it ends in R and K, that's two consonants, I just have to add ing. Let's look at the word standing. The root word in standing is stand. The last two letters in stand are N and D. N and D are consonants, so all I have to do is add ing to make stand, standing. Now let's look at dropping. The root word in dropping is drop. Drop ends in one vowel, one consonant because the O is a vowel and the P is a consonant, so I've doubled that final consonant P before I can add ing. Let's look at our next spelling word, grinning. The root word in grinning is grin. It ends in one vowel with the I, one consonant with the N, so I double my final consonant N before I can add ing and make grin, grinning. Let's look at laughing. What's the root word in laughing? It's laugh. It ends in two consonants, so I just have to add ing to laughing. Now let's look at swimming. The root word in swimming is swim. It ends in one vowel with the I, one consonant with the N, so I double that final consonant and add the extra M before I can add ing. Let's look at learning. The root word in learning is learn. Since it ends in an R and an N, that's two consonants, I just have to add ing. So we're working on adding ing to words. So what you're going to do today is you're going to take your spelling words and you're going to make sentences out of them.